Hello, Andy Cambriax here with another Dreamcatcher reaction. Yay! It feels like it's been a little bit. I apologize for those that are staunch followers of my DC content. I apologize. It's been a rather tiring few weeks. The jet lag is still lingering and it's affecting my sleep schedule still, although not as bad as when I first came back, but it's still. I'm tired more often, all that stupid stuff, right? Just I attribute my inability to get over jet lag quicker to my age. I don't have another reason or excuse, whatever. I feel like it's just because I'm a little older and it's just taking a little longer for my body to adjust. So today I'm going to be checking out Apocalypse Follow Us, the album Apocalypse Follow Us. It's the one with Vision and Fairy Tale, which I've heard before. I've also heard Some Love, but I'll listen to it again because I only heard it once from its live band version. So if you're new to my channel, by the way, I've declared Dreamcatcher to be my alt group ever, which is quite the thing to say considering how long I've followed K-pop. Basically since the 90s. So if you want to do the math, I've been a K-pop fan for a good 30 plus years. I'm not going to get too detailed so I don't have to divulge my age. So I'm just going to go down the album list and whatever the droid and Tomas has recommended to me. For now, I'm going to listen to Intro Chaotical X. Hopefully my audio is okay. It's like a hype song as you're waiting for a Dreamcatcher to come out on stage in the concert. I approve. I almost wish that was a full song. I'm gonna listen to it one more time. I actually like that. It's like a real nice tone setter, actually. I really like the hard beat. It's like a industrial sounding electropop, EDM feel. Kind of fits with the Vision sound a little bit. I approve. I don't give intros and outros ratings, but that's one of my favorite intros. Let's check out Some Love.
시선을 힘껏 높여 마치 꽃은
Ah, this song. I do remember this song. I don't know what genre to pin this to, but I really liked how Jiu came in there. I definitely enjoyed this version. I enjoyed this song way more than I remember enjoying it, which is always positive. Some Love, the Apocalypse, or the 2022 World Tour in Seoul. Still a little bitter that I couldn't go to the concert while I was in Korea. I think I've seen this version, now that I think about it. I've seen this outfit so many times, I feel like I've seen it before. yeah, I'm enjoying the song way more. Was this a live band version, by the way? Because it sounded pretty live bandy. And sorry, I was kind of lost in thought as I was listening to the song. To be honest, what thought? I have no idea. It just kind of breezed by, to be honest. And before I knew it, the song's already over. The live band sounded great. The live vocals sounded great. Actually, I need to listen to the part that I may have just completely spaced on. Awesome. What is this?
지금보다
Idol
더 많이,
Radio.
더 깊게 드림캐쳐를 사랑하게 만들 감미롭고 영롱한
Ah,
춤이
you know in Hongjung.
드림캐쳐의 somelove 함께 들어요.
Is this the same episode where they're teaching them how to dance? Their dance?
Yeah.
Not that ATEEZ needs to learn how to dance.
똑바로 걸어 수평 맞춰 밝은 느낌 따라 시선을 힘껏 높여 마치 고층 빌딩처럼 발을 벌려봐 나는 네가 특별하는 걸 알아 굳은 몸을 풀고 세상으로 You already know We only some love 지금 너에게로 주문을 걸어 이 세상에서 제일 밝은 색깔들로 가득 채워 color you
I kind of wish there was no backing track.
love yourself 이 침묵을 깨보지 경적 소리에 문을 열고 나가자 We all need some love 하늘의 색은 sky blue 내가 생각하는 대로 내 모습을 그려 목소리 높이 올려 Let's get up Go!
Sorry, the volume was really low.
그들이 맞아도 내 마음은 때로 다르니까 눈을 감으면 연락이는 우주와도 같아 이곳에서 play my
We
game
all need some love 지금 너에게로 주문을 걸어 이 세상에서 제일 밝은 색깔들로 가득 채워 color you Love yourself 이 침묵을 깨보지 경적 소리에 문을 열고 나가자 We all need some love Never stop being yourself Being yourself 그가 버려도 멈추지 마 이대로 넌 빛날 거야 눈부시게
That was a good note from Sue there.
밝은 색깔들로 가득 채워 color you Love yourself 이 침묵을 깨보지 경적 소리에 문을 열고
Yuyeon's doing good here too. I'm actually pretty harsh on Yuyeon when it comes to live performances.
야!
That was good. They sound great, of course. When do they not sound great? The song is. I remember. I know, right? Let me back and say, I think I like the song better today than I did when I first heard the song during my Vision and somelove reaction. Actually, I think I do. I don't remember what rating I gave it in the past, though, so I don't know if today's rating will be higher or lower for it. But that sounded great. They sounded great. They look great. Fun times. Next is Rainy Day, right? Nope, there's one more somelove. It's Yetting the Queen's fan cam. The This was dubbed as a must-watch from either the Droid or the Disco. Well, that's not fair. This is actually the concert I was at. Except I was way further back, so the view was definitely lacking. It was still a great experience to go to. Ooh, I wish I was up there in the front during that concert, but oh well. I got the ticket that was available. Some of the members of my community were actually up front as well. That they abandoned me. I don't blame them, of course. Rainy Day. I mean, I'm expecting it to be pretty ballady.
이 비가 지나가면 나도 그댈 지울 수 있길 빗소리가 들리면 사랑하는
It's a very familiar melody. Have I heard this before?
더 생각이 나요 함께 걸었더니 길 속에서 잊었던 기억들이 불어와 하지만 추억하는 시간들은 떠나가죠 비를 피하려 뛰었지만 젖어버린 어깨는 차가워져 우산이 없어도 이제 난 괜찮아요
I feel like I've heard this song before. Where have I heard this before? If I have.
함께 걸었던 이 길 속에서 좋았던 기억들이 불어와 하지만 잊고 싶은 시간마저 생각나죠. 비를 피하려 뛰었지만 넘어진 내 무릎은 더 아려와 우산이 없어도 이제 난 괜찮아요. 이 비가 그칠 때면 내 눈물도 그칠 수 있길 빗소리가 들리며 사랑하는 그대가 너무 그리워져요. 시간이 오래 지나가면 다 있겠죠. 이 비가 그쳐도 난 여기 있을게요.
Oh, not the outro. So that's a pretty song. However, yeah, this is Some Love. I'm confused because I thought I've heard this before, but I don't. But then as the song kept going, I don't think I've heard the song before. Let's listen to the Apocalypse 2022 World Tour in Seoul performance, concert performance.
이 비가 지나가면 나도 그댈 지울 수 있길 빗소리가 들리면 사랑하는 그대가 더 생각이 나요.
I'm gonna have to do some lyrics review.
함께 걸었던 이 길 속에서 잊었던 기억들이 불어와 하지만 추억하는 시간들은 떠나가죠. 비를 피하려 뛰었지만 젖어버린 어깨는 차가워져.
I still think Suwa is the most versatile in tone. Yuyeon is the most versatile vocalist, but Sua's got the most versatility in tone of the voice.
함께 걸었던 이 길 속에서 좋았던 기억들이 불어와 하지만 잊고 싶은 시간마저 생각나죠. 비를 피하려 뛰었지만 넘어진 내 무릎은 더
Some harmonizing.
우산이 없어도 이제 난 괜찮아요. 비가 그칠
I think it almost sounds like a lullaby children's type melody, which makes it feel so maybe innocent. my youngest daughter's singing.
희비가 그쳐도 난 여기 있을게요.
Are you crying, Yuyeon? You are crying. Oh, rainy day lyrics. Her voice is really shaky, trembling. Ah, I like this person. The way they format it, put some effort into the editing.
이 비가 지나가면 나도 그댈 지울 수 있길 빗소리가 들리면 사랑하는 그대가 더 생각이 나요. 함께 걸었던 이 길 속에서 잊었던 기억들이 불어와 하지만 추억하는 시간들은 떠나가요. 비를 피하려 뛰었지만 젖어버린 어깨는 차가워져. 우산이 없어도 이제 난 괜찮아요.
Okay. The song's about really they're okay now. Oh, excuse me, it's really late. The yawns are starting to come in.
함께 걸었던 이 길 속에서 좋았던 기억들이 불어와 하지만 잊고 싶은 시간마저 생각나죠. 비를 피하려 뛰었지만 넘어진 내 무릎은 더 아려워. 우산이 없어도 이제 난 괜찮아요. 이 비가 그칠 때면 내 눈물도 그칠 수 있길 빗소리가 들리면 사랑하는 그대가 너무 그리워져요.
Excuse me. They did my youngest daughter
시간이 오래
a little dirty.
지나가면 다 있겠죠. 이 비가 그쳐도 난 여기 있을게요.
Yeah, they're doing better. They're doing, but they miss you. I'm saying they. I don't know if they're talking about themselves or others, but, or if it's supposed to be a song about yearning someone, something. But I think the song is actually is quite pretty, actually. Warsaw, 2022. This is from XXOCZUKXX.
이 비가 지나가면 나도
This song kind of puts you in a weird trancy state, doesn't it? Or is it just me? It's really loud on my earphones all of a sudden with that bass. That quiver in Yu-Yeon's voice there is really good. I think this one was not, she was not crying, but the last one I watched, she was definitely crying. What is this? Pick on, or Pikkon, actually. I don't know what this is. It's 이 비가 그칠 때면. Follow us media, I'm sorry. Jeez, of course I'm reacting to Rainy Day. I like it's Handong's outfit. In case you're wondering, she said, "Hello everyone, thank you for coming. It's cold, right? When you go home, please stay warm."
감사합니다.
And thank you. I like this hair on Handong, actually. It looks really good on her. I'll always be a sucker for straight black hair from Suha for some reason. putting me into a weird sleepy trancey state. Ugh.
오래 지나가면 다 있겠죠. 희비가 그쳐도 난
Gee, you look sad.
있을게요.
You unsniffled.
감사합니다. 감사합니다. 사랑합니다. 질문도 많이 해주셔서 감사합니다. 감사하고 저희는 지금까지 드리겠습니다. 네, 다시 한번 와주셔서 너무 감사하고 저희는
Thanks for coming. Once again, thank you for coming.
지금까지
And
드리겠습니다.
up until now, we were Dreamcatcher.
조심히 가세요. 감사합니다. 사랑합니다. 감기 조심하세요.
Thank you. Be careful of the cold. Goodbye. Thank
질문도
you.
많이 해주셔서 감사합니다.
What'd she say?
질문도 많이 해주셔서 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Thank you, staff. All right. Oh, it started making me fall asleep a little bit. I like it as much as I can, but by default, you got. I'm guessing like 60% of you guys or 70% of you guys are returning viewers of my Dreamcatcher content. It's the rainy day, which is actually called 이 비가 그칠 때면. So it's when the rain stops, is what the literal translation. You can see that here actually. 이 비가 그칠 때면. 이 비가 그칠 때면. So that literally translates to when the rain stops. I guess 이 비가, which would make this rain. So when this rain stops. Oh, I'm tired. I have the outro to listen to yet, and I'll talk about my thoughts on the songs here. Mother Nature. I'm expecting something to like ruin it. Nope. There's a bit of an uplifting feel to this. As if they've beaten the rainy day. All right. Let me talk about some of the stuff I just heard. I kind of want to watch maybe it doesn't, it's not here. Never mind. Bummer. I have to type it now. No, forget it. I think I'm not going to give intro and outro ratings. I think I like the intro more than the outro just because of how heavy the beat is and everything. Outro has kind of like this weird King of the Jungle, Lion King type feel, but in sci-fi setting, cyberpunky setting, I'm not sure. Industrial setting. To Some Love. Some Love is, I think I have to give more credit to the song than I originally gave it. I think it's a pretty darn good song. It's not going to be a 10 out of 10 for me. It likely will not be a playlist song for me, but I respect the song. Some Love, I think it's like a 8 out of 10. deliberating, if that makes sense in my head. 8. It's about time I wrap the video up. I'm just yawning nonstop. I feel like Some Love is an 8 out of 10. I think Rainy Day is Rainy Day gets a 7.5 out of 10. I think it's really nice melodically. The highlights of the song are the harmonies for me and the ad-libbing from Yuhyun specifically. But the song just is, for those that know my channel or know me fairly well when it comes to musical taste, I like my build up to a strong final chorus type of feel from ballads. That's what Korean ballads do constantly. Whether it's through a key change or melody shift a little bit or change in lyrics, but they are singing harder, whatever it is, right? This song, and I think in general, Dreamcatcher's concept for ballads are definitely not the typical Korean music industry ballad. Probably. I don't listen to all the ballads out there, so don't get me wrong, but I do know my fair share. And they're completely melody driven, right? Or emotion driven, but mostly melody. I think Rainy Day has a very nice melodic tone to it. I just don't think I jive with it. Not going to be the first time I do that. By the way, this 10 score, out of 10 score, is completely biased, completely subjective, not objective at all. It's based completely and solely on how much I personally like or dislike the song. That's it. I'm not musically critiquing it. I don't have the qualifications to do anything like that. Just a disclaimer. I'm feeling my eyes just close as I talk here. Oh. I'm glad I listened to Some Love. I'm glad I listened to Rainy Day. Or let's say, I'm glad I listened to Some Love again. And I'm glad I listened to Rainy Day. Solid, nice songs to listen to. Probably just, I think others may give these songs a higher grade on their books than mine. But for me personally, I'm thinking 8 for Some Love, 7.5 for Rainy Day. It's always nice to see the alt girls in action. I'd love to watch like some more clips or videos of concert footage, but I'm just really, really tired now. Jet lagged, a little sleep deprived, and Rainy Day decides to just give me some ASMR rain noise with nice singing. So it put me into a weird, like really tired, sleepy state. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. My goal is to get through all of DC's soundtracks, discography, including B-sides. So I'll probably just go in the order of albums. So Droid or Panic. You guys have to choose the next album for me or others if you guys want to comment down below or whatever. Happy to see your feedback on what you would love to see next from me as I react to Dreamcatcher. I think after this one, I will fall asleep here. But the next time I do my next session, it's going to be likely it's going to be from a Dreamcatcher perspective. It's probably going to be variety content like an Insomniacs reaction because I really enjoy it. I could use a laugh or two. So, comment down below what you guys think of Rainy Day and Some Love. Do you agree with me or do you completely think I'm off basis and I should just go into the corner? Happy to hear your guys' opinions on these songs. I have a Discord server. Would love to have you there. Bunch of mostly well-mannered people in the Discord server. I do have a Patreon. I don't use it very much, so I can't pimp it very hard. But it's a great place for you to support me directly. I've been calling it the diaper funds because my second child was not too long ago born. Let's see. I'm just brain fart. It's time to end the video. I'm just falling asleep as I stand here with my eyes open. Oh, Patreon. Oh, also, Patreon's a great place to make recommendations, suggestions, directly, requests, whatever you want to call them. I'm tired. Yeah. Ain't no video coming after this one. It's time for me to go knock out. So with that said, have a great day, good evening, good morning, whatever time it is. Be safe, take care of yourselves, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.